Okay, hello again, class. I think we were cut off last time I was talking about the argument essay. I have taught Writing 90 before, and I'm going to be changing this assignment a little bit, actually. It's conflating, which means mixing up an exploratory essay with an argument essay. In an argument essay, you actually want to start out with your thesis statement and the introduction, and your first body paragraph, paragraph 2. If you're looking at the 5-paragraph essay model, which is the most basic model, paragraph 2 is giving supporting evidence, paragraph 3 is counterpoints, which is the other side of the story, and something that has at least 2 sides, and then refutations, which is how you give counterpoints to the counterpoints, argue against the other side's position. That's how to convincingly argue, make an argument, and then the conclusion, okay? You don't In an exploratory essay in which you do research on several sides of an issue and present them all in an unbiased language, then you arrive at a position in the conclusion. So I'm going to be actually remaking this, uploading my own outline for you to do, and also my own example to show you how to write this, as well as making a video showing you how to use the Library Points of View Reference Center database and how to find overview, point, and counterpoint article, and how to do searches, etc. I'll upload a PowerPoint and also a video for you guys. I'll be working on that this week and next week, so again, I would wait to get started on this unless you just want to start thinking about, in terms of the description essay, what image you want to find and what it means, and in terms of the argument essay, what controversial issue interests you, okay? But I'm going to be working on this and getting back to you on this, so you might want to wait to actually begin for a little more guidance on this, okay? And until I change this, I'm going to change this actually to reflect more of how I taught it when I taught this in my class, in my face-to-face class. Okay, I want to show you something really quick just to make this short, but okay, so talking about MLA format for basic headings, it needs to be Times New Roman size 12. Now this is in Microsoft Word. If you were in Google Docs or something else, it's some other kind of program, if you're using freeware, for example, like LibreOffice or OpenOffice, it's going to be a little different, but this is how it needs to be when you turn it into me, okay? And in Microsoft Word, you would go Select All, okay? Times New Roman, you can type it in, it comes up, make sure that your font is size 12, alright? Go to Paragraph, go to Line Spacing, Double, okay? Double. Then you need to do something called a header. Alright, you double click at the top of the page. Go to page number, top of page, plain number 3, and there it is. And then you write your last name, space bar, close header and footer. Okay? The reason that you need to do it that way is if you go down, now it says Myth 2, right? Now watch if I do it differently. If I write the last name, say I tab over and write the last name and number and close it like this, then if I go down it says the same number on every page, and you don't want that. And this is just convention, because you will in college be not online but in other classes be turning things in that are printed, so in case pages come apart or etc. There's the last name of the author and the page number. So if you want the page number to change without having to do it manually, you need to go page number, top of page, plain number 3, type your last name, space bar, close header and footer. Okay? Alright, then you have here your name, course prefix and number, instructor, date, type of assignment. This is Journal 1. You need to have a title. So my title is Simple Sensory Images in Hijuelos, Memories of New York City Snow. The rules for the title is that first letter of the first word is always capitalized. within the title, articles, which are a, an, and the, okay, the words a, an, and the, within the title are not capitalized, and neither are prepositions, which are relational words between nouns or among nouns within a sentence. About, through, over, in, for, by, etc., which is why in is not capitalized here in this title, okay? Or neither is of. Alright. Okay, so here's an example, which I can upload for you, an example journal about this. In your example journals, you start out, it's a reading response, even if informal, within title of the story, memories or essay, Memories of New York City Snow, by Oscar Hijuelos, the author, okay? And then right away I give my thesis statement. The dominant impression is one of fascination and optimism amidst hardship, okay? Then, in terms of using quotes, you only need to use 2 quotes. I am not requiring that you use 2 quotes with MLA format and 2 not, although I actually did that in this paper, but you only need to use 2 quotes for each journal, okay? You need to say last name of the author and page number. Now, I don't know if that's actually the page number. I'm assuming. I don't have the book in front of me, okay? But last name of the author, page number, in parentheses, followed by a period. You notice that usually in quotations, punctuation comes before the second set of quotation marks, except in the case of in-text citations like this. You only use it, what this is an in-text citation in the case of a direct quote. Okay? Keep that in mind. If it's using data or statistics, etc., then you're going to put that into your works cited, but you're not going to put it in a direct quote. Or you're not going to put it in an in-text citation like this. You just write it and then put it in your works cited. So it can be double-checked, that information, and where you got it from, okay? Your sources. But for an in-text citation, it's only for a direct quote, which is surrounded by quotation marks, like this. And then you have last name of the author, page number, in parentheses, followed by a period, okay? Or if whatever the punctuation is, a comma if the sentence continues, okay? So again, same thing here, okay? Now, in terms of, you can use EasyBib if you want to. Here, let's see if I can find it for you. Hold on, I have several windows open. EasyBib here, okay? EasyBib.com helps you to create. You sign up for it without ad blockers. It's free, okay? And it'll help you to generate citations. You can choose MLA 8, okay? You can enter the URL of the website, or manually enter information, or name of the book, okay? I'll show you more about this when we're doing when I do make the video for how to use the library database and import citations. Okay, and this is EasyBib here. Alright, so you can also generate your own citation on here. Okay, let's see. How to format MLA in-text citations. It also helps you to generate your own citation, I think. If you put it in, manual cite, right there, it helps you enter the information. Okay, if you go to manual cite, it'll tell you how to enter the information. However, I will upload this example, and you're free to just cut and paste it and replace the author and page number, okay? So yeah, here you would enter website, publisher, article, source type, etc., etc., okay? I'll go over more how to use EasyBib for citations when you're doing your argument essay, but let's go back to this example, which I will upload for you, okay? It goes, last name of the author of the actual piece, not of the anthology, or in this case, textbook. First name of the author, then in quotation marks, name of the piece, then name of the book, in this case, textbook, the entire thing, which is in italics, okay? Last name and first name of the editors, then publishing company, alright, year, and then page numbers. Now, I don't know if those are the actual page numbers, because I didn't have the book in front of me, but I'm assuming, so now it's a short piece, okay? You need to do what's called a hanging indent. Then you select all of this, and you go paragraph, alright, special, hanging, okay? And remember this for when you're doing your argument essay, you would do like this, center it, and write works cited, okay? And if you had multiple works cited, then the whole thing would come out looking really pretty then, okay? And that's how you do it. So all the rest of your journals, this is how you're going to do your citations. You're just going to have the, next time it would be Bennett, Lisa, and those pages, right, for a new game plan, okay? And then you would have Bennett and page number for your journal, okay, for week 2. I will upload that. I hope that this has been helpful in terms of how you do MLA format and how you should have proper headings, okay? And I'm going to be working on grading your stuff from last week today and tomorrow. Please keep on top of things, and good luck. Please email me if you have any other questions. Okay, thank you.